Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am here to show you guys the Superior, the 3042 Zero Clearance Wood Burning Fireplace. So this is a zero clearance fireplace, which means it can be framed directly into the wall with combustible materials. This is also going to be an open burning fireplace, which means it has no damper control and it is an EPA exempt unit. This particular model is available in a 36-inch and a 42-inch model. Price point right now as of 2021 is about $1,600 on this model. You do have different color choices available for the interior firebox. Here is shown, I'm sorry, not color choices, stacked options. It's going to be available in white only on the brick, but you can do stacked or either herringbone. This is going to be shown with the bifold glass doors. This is an option, so you have to add these on if you want the glass doors. I think right now glass doors are an additional like $500 to $600 if you want this, but it does kind of give it more of a nice closed finish look. Otherwise, the unit is just going to come standard right here with the slide out screens. And actually, I should say that there is one control here located for your flue, but it's not really going to give you enough air control to damper down the unit. So with a big open burning fireplace like this, you're probably going to get about maybe 500 square feet out of just, like convection heat, radiant heat out the front of the unit, but it's definitely not going to be something to heat your entire home. This type of product is generally sold to builders for spec homes or for people who are just looking for a nice, like budget-friendly option to get a wood-burning fireplace inside their home. So this is the Superior, the 3042-inch model. I really hope you guys found this video overview helpful. If you like my videos, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.